In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create video overviews in NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your notes and sources into a clean, AI-hosted video that explains your topic with clarity. Start by going to your NotebookLM. Open the notebook where you've been collecting material for this project. Think of this notebook as the foundation of your video. The better the material here, the better your final overview will be. First, add a source. This can be a document, a PDF, a web article, or even your own notes. Choose sources that are directly relevant to the message you want your video to convey. If you have multiple items, it helps to keep them well organized and clearly labeled. A quick tip: prioritize high-quality, accurate material, and if you're combining sources, make sure they don't contradict each other. That way, the AI can generate a coherent and reliable explanation. Once you're done adding your source, you're ready to create the video. Look for the option labeled Video Overview and click it. This is where NotebookLM assembles everything into a structured, narrated video. Next, select the format. Think about your goal and your audience. If you want a concise briefing, choose a short summary style. If you're teaching a concept, a more step-by-step explainer format works well. For product or topic comparisons, pick a format that highlights differences and takeaways. Matching the format to your intent will make your video more effective and easier to follow. Choose the language that best suits your viewers. If your audience is multilingual, pick the primary language they expect. Consistency here helps with clarity and reach. Now choose a visual style. This guides how the video looks and feels. Decide whether you want something clean and professional, friendly and casual, or bold and dynamic. Keep accessibility in mind. High contrast and readable text make your content easier to absorb. Enter what the AI host should focus on. Give 1 or 2 clear sentences that highlight the main objective, the target audience, and any must-include points. For example, specify the key takeaway, the level of detail you want, and the tone, like neutral, enthusiastic, or academic. The more precise your focus, the more on target the narration will be. Finally, click Generate and wait patiently. Processing time can vary depending on the length and complexity of your sources, so let it finish. Once it's done, your video overview will be ready to watch, and you'll have a polished, AI-guided explanation drawn directly from your notebook content.